Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get streaks back on your Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So first of all, if in case you have ended up losing your Snap streak, go ahead, update your app as well once again. Then once your app is open, go ahead, tap on your profile icon, go to the settings option, and now scroll down and find this option called I need help here in support center, and tap on I lost my Snap streak. If you do that, they will give you how you can recover, but apparently it didn't work for us, right? We can go ahead, tap on this X option given. Now we will tap on this article did not answer my question, tap on submit option, and now we will scroll down, find this contact us, go ahead, tap on it. Now you will tap on this option called I lost my Snap streak, scroll down, this will give you another note, tap on again how do I restore my Snap streak. This will submit a request, and then you will be able to find another article. So apparently you will tap on this yes, that you still need help, tap on yes option. Now you get this form, enter your username, enter your email address, your mobile number, your device, and then you will add your friend's username with whom you lost your Snap streaks with, and then you tap on this when did you start having the issue, and tap on this how long was Snap streak before it expires. And optional, if you want to, you get another optional option. If you did see, tap on yes, that's a good deal. If you don't, and then tap on description that hey, I have lost my Snap streak, I did not do anything, but it disappeared from there, please help me restore my Snap streak. Go ahead, tap on that, and then finally done, tap on submit. You will be able to submit a request to Snapchat. They will look it up and will help you restore your Snap streaks. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.